you.
Ma'am, first time po, ma'am. Ma'am, diyan kayo sa unahan, ma'am. First time? All of you, first time?
Hindi.
Second time. Second time.
Sila hindi.
Akala ko po, ma'am, first time kayo lahat kasi first time din ako. You know, me too, ma'am. First time, ha? No, I'm kidding po. Good morning, ma'am. You know my name? My name is Joy. Kung may katanungan kayo tungkol sa cave, pwede kayong magtanong, ma'am, ha? Pero magkukwento naman ako tungkol sa cave. Ma'am, look into your left other side. Dito na po sa likod natin, sir, yung dagat, sir. Ma'am, to your left, this is the outflow. Ma'am, the river is connected to the sea. Now the water, you know, brackish water, ma'am. You know, half salt water and half fresh. We can mix our combination, ma'am. You know, now the water is brackish. Ma'am, now is low tide. During night time, ma'am, is high tide, ha? During night time. Ma'am, sir, look into your right other side. Graffiti. Ma'am, yung mga vandals po,